Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and I'm here in Slikhaar studio with Simon and Mette, and today we are elevating Simon's hairstyle. Are you guys up for it?
Yeah.
Let's go!
So Simon, what are we going to do today?
So I've honestly had the same hairstyle for what seems like
Forever?
So I'm trying to mix it up a little bit so I can kind of still do the same thing I've always done, but maybe kind of have a hybrid hairstyle so I can also do something different with it. Maybe have the hair come down in both sides.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Okay. So we're going to, make a hybrid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit of a journey to get there, but at least just let's try and start today.
Yeah. So maybe it's going to take around 2 or 3 months to get a couple of haircuts.
That's fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Never met someone like you, felt something like your touch. I wish we would have met sooner. Sure, I've had lovers in my past. Won't lie, I've had a blast, but none of them had your humor. We can't compare. No one could ever do. Nobody's close to you. Yeah, one night's not fair. What can I say to make you never leave this room? I need you to stay a little longer. Not forever, yeah. I need you to stick around for later. Not forever, yeah. You feel so right now. It's taking a lifetime. I need you to stay longer. Not forever, yeah. Wanna get to know all your friends, bet I'll be loving them. I'll try to make them love me back. It won't be like it was before, easy when hearts are pure. I'm falling hard and falling fast. Oh, they can't compare. No one could ever do. Nobody's close to you. Yeah, one night's not fair. What can I say to make you never leave this room? I need you to stay a little longer. Not forever, yeah. I need you to stick around for later. Not forever, yeah. You feel so right now. It's taking a lifetime. I need you to stay longer. Not forever, wanna get to know all your friends, bet I'll be loving them. I'll try to make them love me back. It won't be like it was before, easy when hearts are pure. I'm falling hard and falling fast. Oh, they can't compare.
Okay, so how about your career? How is it going?
Well, 2024 is obviously a big year with European Championships and Olympics being 2 months apart. So it's a big year. I just got back from training camp in Tenerife in Spain, got some sun and some nice training sessions going. So I'm about to start my indoor season now, which basically kicks off the entire year. So yeah, I'm excited. It's hopefully gonna be a big year, an interesting year, and
A fast year.
I'm very motivated to show everyone what I got. And with a nice haircut as well, then I'll be very aerodynamic. Fastest haircut in town.
In the world.
First in town and then the world.
Yeah.
I wish we would have met sooner. Sure, I've had lovers in my past. Won't lie, I've had a blast, but none of them had your humor. They
so.
They can't compare. No one could ever do. Nobody's close to you. Yeah, one night's affair.
Simon, how do you like your new hairstyle?
It's nice to switch it up a little bit from what I've been doing for what feels like in my entire life.
It looks good with the parting, Mette.
Thank you.
You did a good job.
Thank you.
And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about this episode. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.